more than ever, B2B sales and marketing teams are under tremendous pressure to find prospect accounts who are in market and displaying interest. Buyers demand better products, better services, and better prices. Sales and marketing teams are trying to identify these buyers, personalize outreach, and drive engagement across all channels of communication. At Anteriad, targeted engagement starts with a quality data foundation. The Anteriad Marketing Cloud uses our proprietary intent process to gather and analyze data from multiple sources, identify engaged personas, and highlight accounts for outreach. This makes campaign orchestration across channels simple and gives you the confidence to execute your strategy at scale. With accurate, actionable data all in one place, marketers can create influential campaigns that reach targeted prospects, and sales teams get better account insights. So let's take a tour of the Anteriad Marketing Cloud. Audience Builder, Campaigns, Insights, Integrated Marketing. First up, Audience Builder. The most important differentiator to B2B sales and marketing is accurate data. Anteriad delivers the companies and contact records you need to reach, engage, and activate the full buying journey. At Anteriad, data quality isn't just an idea, it's an obsession. Defining an audience is the first step to actioning that data. Audiences are segments of company and contact records. Use the Anteriad Marketing Cloud to define and understand your total addressable market. And once you've identified the right companies and contacts, you can use intent to differentiate the ones interested in your solutions. Let's learn how to build an audience. Let's learn how to build an audience in the Anteriad Marketing Cloud. Here are all of the filters available: firmographic, demographic, intent, technologies, target lists, suppression, and customization. Let's start with segmenting by firmographic filters, also known as company attributes. These include industry, employee size, revenue, range, and location. On the contact side, we can understand personas by filtering by job function, job level, and even job title. Most importantly, however, are our intent topics. We recommend every search start with intent to understand the companies and contacts showing interest in your product, solution, or the category your product falls under. Let's select account-based marketing and intent data as an intent topic. We can even filter by different technologies installed at the company level, upload target account lists, suppress accounts, and even integrate bidirectionally with Salesforce and limit contacts per domain. Let's take a look at an audience that we have already saved. Here's an audience that we've already filtered into the Anteriad Marketing Cloud. We can see companies, domains, and contacts that are showing intent on the topics that we've selected. Here in our search preview, we can start to understand the types of companies that fit the filters that we've applied. We can even preview the contacts available at those companies that are showing intent. At any given time, we can go back and edit our criteria and our search, apply our filters, and get new results. Let's take a look at saving an audience. Saving an audience allows us to create a campaign. We can create a campaign to monitor intent, deliver contacts who are showing intent, use content syndication, or even programmatic. Once we've segmented our audience, we can drive engagement to contacts and accounts across different channels through the Anteriad Marketing Cloud. Let's save an audience and create a campaign. We can create an intent campaign where we can monitor our contacts and accounts, showing interest in our topics. We can target those accounts through content syndication, and we can serve impressions to those accounts and contacts with our programmatic offerings. For more information, take a look at our campaign description. Here's an audience that we just saved. Let's export some contacts from it. Here we can select all of the contacts that we want to export from the audience. We can send these contacts to a CSV file that we downloaded from the Anteriad Marketing Cloud, or directly to Salesforce, HubSpot, Eloqua, or Marketo. These contacts can immediately be in your sales and marketing team's efforts. Once you define a target audience, you can drive engagement through content syndication, programmatic display, and even receive intent insights about qualified contacts and companies. Creating campaigns is simple in the Anteriad Marketing Cloud. Now, let's take a look at campaign orchestration inside the Anteriad Marketing Cloud. This is our campaign section where we can look at campaigns across all channels: content syndication, programmatic, and even intent. Clicking on a campaign allows us to view the performance and the delivery of that campaign in real time. Scrolling down, you can see the criteria that has been applied to this campaign. Let's take a look at some of the contacts that have been delivered to this campaign. We see the company information: name, title, email and phone number, location, revenue, industry, employee size, and when that contact was delivered. We can filter by delivery date, or we can search for individual contacts in the companies. You can download all of this data from the Anteriad Marketing Cloud at any time. Let's take a look at some of the analytics for this campaign. These are the different types of analytics available through the Anteriad Marketing Cloud: companies by employee size, industry location, and revenue. You can filter by contacts, employee size, industry, job level, location, and revenue. We can schedule alerts from the Anteriad Marketing Cloud to let us know when our data is ready to download. We can send these alerts via email every week or every month, or we can push the data straight into our marketing automation platform or CRM. This syncs up to a campaign or to a list. So let's take a look at the campaign performance across all channels. We have in-market accounts showing intent on topics we are subscribed to. It answers the question: how many accounts have been reached with display impressions and content syndication? Out of those accounts, this home dashboard is the live look at the campaign performance. Who is engaged? Who has clicked on an offer or downloaded a piece of content? We can see how many accounts are in market or how many accounts are showing intent on the topics we are subscribed to. We have other numbers like reached, engaged, qualified, and export. These show how many contacts, accounts, and buying groups are engaging and interacting with your content. Our reach trend shows a year-long trend of engagement across all different channels. Recent campaigns are a live look at the most recent campaigns that are delivering in the Anteriad Marketing Cloud. Let's use the Anteriad Marketing Cloud to auto-identify and find buying groups who are interested in your products, solutions, and services. It's easy. Just create a buying group, then build out the personas. Personas are collections of job titles, job levels, and job functions. These are the folks that make the B2B purchase decisions around your products, solutions, or services. Let's take a look at an intent campaign that is auto-identifying buying group contacts. Here is an example of a company showing intent on many different topics. We can see the historical trend line of those topics. This gives us a better idea for what the company is interested in at what time. Here is the buying group summary at this company. As you can see, we have personas that have been auto-identified by the Anteriad Marketing Cloud. We can send these contact records to a marketing automation platform or CRM for next steps with engagement. So you've defined your audience and created your corresponding campaign. Now what? Next, we'll show you how to move from observation to action, utilizing the Insights section of the Anteriad Marketing Cloud. The Insights section highlights 3 specific areas: reports, campaign contacts, and exports. Our robust reporting selection allows you to view all campaign deliverables. You can even view ABM reporting that shows us intent signals, buying group contacts, and engagement throughout all channels at an account level. Our homepage shows all of the accounts that are in market. How many of those accounts have we reached through programmatic? Or how many of those accounts have engaged with our content? Have we qualified accounts through telequalification programs? And finally, how many contacts have been exported? These are just a few of the insights you can receive from the Anteriad Marketing Cloud. We also can look at campaign deliverables, all contacts across all campaigns, across all channels. We can even store all of our exports in the Anteriad Marketing Cloud, so we can access our data at any time. An integrated marketing strategy enables marketing teams to engage with prospects and accounts across many different channels and take different strategic approaches that all work together to drive revenue and ROI. The Anteriad Marketing Cloud helps to target through those different channels, analyzing results and account penetration along the way. Let's take a look at some of the integrated strategies your team can take advantage of inside the Anteriad Marketing Cloud. Account-based marketing, account retargeting, buying group definition and insights, cross-channel campaign execution. Let's take a look. A good integrated marketing strategy retargets accounts and personas through different channels. This is our campaign contacts section. It shows every contact that has been delivered to the Anteriad Marketing Cloud. We can filter these contacts and accounts by all of the filters that we found in our audience builder. We can filter by campaign type, delivery date, status, firmographic, demographic, intent filters, and even upload a target account list or suppression list. Once we've selected the accounts and contacts that we want to retarget, we can apply a few tactics. First, we can export these accounts and contacts and put them into our own marketing automation platforms to run our own campaigns. Or we can save these into a target account list and upload them as a criteria to retarget with intent, content syndication, or display programs within the Anteriad Marketing Cloud. At Anteriad, intent data powers every single integrated campaign. These are a collection of companies showing high levels of intent on your topics. We can then retarget these companies with programmatic campaigns and content syndication campaigns. Merging the power of intent data with an integrated marketing strategy should be a tactic of every B2B marketer. If you're already using an intent data source or just exploring the idea, consider leveraging the Anteriad Marketing Cloud to get you there. Get in front of your next customer.